Welcome to this virtual tour of the Sistema.bio biodigester. Every farm produces organic waste, but what if we told you that waste could be turned into something valuable? Let's take a closer look and see how it works. Step 1. Waste collection. It all starts with organic waste. We recommend using animal manure. Instead of letting it pile up or go to waste, farmers can mix this with water to create a porridge-like slurry. Step 2. Digestion process. This slurry is then fed into the biodigester, an airtight system where natural bacteria do their work. Through a process called anaerobic digestion, the organic material breaks down and transforms into two useful products: biogas and organic fertilizer. Step 3. Biogas production. Biogas is a clean, renewable fuel that can be used for cooking and heating. It replaces firewood, charcoal, and LPG, saving money while reducing harmful emissions. Step 4. Organic fertilizer. At the same time, the biodigester produces a nutrient-rich organic fertilizer. This byproduct improves soil health, increases crop yields, and reduces the need for chemical fertilizers, helping farmers grow produce more naturally. Step 5. Environmental benefits. Beyond energy and fertilizer, the biodigester brings other benefits. It reduces greenhouse gas emissions, prevents water contamination, and helps keep farms cleaner by managing waste more efficiently. Plus, it eliminates bird odors and insects, creating a healthier farm environment. To conclude, Sistema.bio offers biodigesters in different sizes, making them a perfect fit for domestic and productive farms alike. By getting a biodigester, farmers can save money, protect the environment, and increase productivity all in one system. To learn more, contact us at 0711 082 888. Thank you for joining us on this tour.